Today I'd like to share with you the software Padlet. It's an educational software that I use very often with my students. And first, let's log in. You log in with your Google, Apple, Microsoft credentials, and I usually log in with my Google account. Okay, now this is the dashboard that you see as soon as you get into Padlet. And in order to make a Padlet, you go to make a Padlet. And you choose from this different types of Padlet that you could choose from. And I'm going to choose the shelf. Here on the right side, you're going to modify. You're going to just follow what they want you to fill in with. And I'm going to name this Padlet the Spanish regular review. Description as I practice regular verb conjugations. Okay. Icon, I usually add an icon to make it a little bit more lively. Okay, your wallpaper, I like to choose different wallpaper to make it colorful. So we have school started, so I'm going to use the pencils. Okay, attribution, I turn it on because I want the author's name to be displayed above each post so that I know who posted, and I like to use their first name. Allow comments, reactions. I like to use like or star, and today I'm going to use like. Okay, and I am ready to start, and I'm going to start posting. And I'm going to name this first column AR ending verbs. Okay, let's see. AR verbs. And then say the next column. ER verbs. Next column. IR verbs. Okay, so now I'm ready. You can either write down here what you want them to learn, or you could connect, you could link a resource directly from the website. You see these are the different things that you could do, and I often use the web search, and I do Spanish regular verbs and 10 regular verbs. I like to use study Spanish. So I click on this, publish, and then review regular verbs endings. Okay. And you are ready to publish. And when students click on this link, it's gonna take you to the regular verbs, and they could learn the different ending verbs. They could review it, and you could have the students instruct the students here to practice conjugations. Practice conjugations. Okay. Way. I want to edit it. You could edit by clicking on these. Let's go back. You could edit by clicking on these three red dots, three dots here, vertical dots, and edit post, practice, conjugate, three regular verbs. Okay, so. And I want my students to, after they have reviewed the study Spanish, review the conjugations. I want them to practice their conjugations in these columns. Okay, so I'm gonna copy post. It says to a new Padlet to this Padlet. Okay, and then you have the 3 columns. And you have, I wanted to copy it in ER. Once again, this post, I want this copy. You could either, no, I don't want it to a new Padlet. So I want copy to this Padlet, and I want it to IR verbs. Okay, so there you go. You are able to conjugate the verbs in each column. This helps it to be more organized. And if I want to create and say here, practice writing sentences with regular verbs. Okay, and then they could write sentences here. Here you could say, yo juego. Oh no, it's jugar is a stem changing verb. How about yo como el desayuno? Okay, publish. And here, notice here, the attribution allows it, when you turn that on, it allows you to see the name of the student who wrote the sentence. And there you go. I hope this is useful.